clear, right?
My buddy.
Good?
Yeah.
Hey, Alexander. We're in Zimbabwe, Harare, finally here. It was a long flight. Yeah, so DeepSeek is a great thing because what DeepSeek does is, as soon as you get competition. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me see here. What's your t-shirt that you have?
Here, AI or die at the back, you can see.
Oh, here we go, here we go. So the tour is live. Let's go, everybody.
Murad looks happy, so I think it's the Motor Republic.
Oh, so that's the... Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
tomorrow.
Alright.
And then up to that, the evening is a party list, so that's chill.
I was saying that's why you see yesterday I was talking about when I was communicating with those guys who fixed our tire. I used English and they could understand very well. Most of our youths are educated and they are not getting jobs. That's why you see there is high brain drain.
Right.
Many people getting into drugs. Some just staying at home.
Yeah.
But then they are learned. Yesterday when we went to that place, I showed you people were playing and I said, if you see most of these guys, they might be having even a master's degree.
Yeah.
And they're doing something completely different from what they went to school for. So yeah, our education system is very strong. People are learning. But where to apply the skills is...
generative AI?
You say?
You apply it in generative AI, right?
Yeah,
Because like the main thing you need in order to be good at it is to have a good literacy, right?
Yes.
To understand, to comprehend, to be able to read and write, and to communicate. So that's a huge advantage. The most important thing is this one right here. Look at this. Look at this. I have 20 different glasses depending on the mood I'm in.
For real.
What-
And you have one with camera. This is it, yeah?
Yeah. And Meta has an AI that they inserted in the glasses. So basically you can record with it, take pictures with it. You can also ask it to look at a sign and be like, hey, can you translate it to English? And it's so...
I want to test it.
It's AI or die, motherfucker.
Are you anyone saying Jonathan? Tonight I pray.
Out to Bamboo AI, we're waiting for Sinclair to pick us up, and I'm for some reason drinking coffee, but it's way better here than it is in Europe, so like why not?
Do you feel nervous before?
No.
At all?
No, I don't think so. I mean, it's always nervous because it's like a whole new country and a continent, so it's always hard to know like what they feel and think about everything we're gonna say, right? No, but I'm excited, it's gonna be great. In Sweden we have a co-working space where they have rooms like the phone booth, but they're 100% isolated, so you can't hear anything in it, right?
Yes.
So people can go in there and scream. Can everyone hear me? Yes, perfect. And I'm only coming back if I feel good of being alive, which is like, because you'll be like, oh, give me 10 more, 10 more, 10 more, 10 with a better hook, 10 funnier, 10 whatever. You do that to me, I'm blocking you. Thank you. Forgetting which side I'm supposed to go to get in. we just finished the first one, so we're now going to do it with Motor Republic. It's a creative hub, but let's check out the venue and see how it is, alright? Hello. Oh, look at this dome. Okay, this will be dope. So they have 158 people who's registered so far to come to watch this.
Look at this, come here. Look at that. There's a falling avocado. Why do we pay for this in Europe when it's falling for free here? Oh, it's a mic. Ooh. I need to hold it like that. I need to have my hands like this. Always when I have a mic, I'll be like, yeah, so the thing is like people. Thank you. This is not how the fish looks like, by the way. I just learned that. I thought this is how the fish looks like. No, this is not how salmon looks like. This is the cooked version of it, right? Are you excited for tomorrow?
No, very excited. Yeah. Very excited. It's gonna 1 GM turning to something.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Likewise, man.
Are you both coming tomorrow? Or
Yeah, definitely. Both of us will be there.
Yeah?
We have to be. So we have to. Mr. Running out, what are you saying, man? We have to be.
I love this energy. I'm sure that tomorrow I will have like 10 times energy on stage. Like
tomorrow the energy will be there.
If I can just be like 5 minutes in the room with you.
Yeah, we'll be there. We'll be there. We'll be jumping. We'll be there.
That's great. That's great. Cool.
I'm excited for tomorrow. Glad to finally meet you guys.
Yeah, it's gonna be
The
dope.
best cameraman in the house there.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is recording, but
Yeah, it's
there's a dope cameraman behind the camera, guys.
Yeah.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Hide your women. Hide
We just signed an agreement that I will get the car. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's so kind of you. All right.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And the hamburger was really good.
Thank you so much.
It's the best thing I've ate in Zimbabwe so far.
You must say that.
It's good to go. Let's go.
Good to go. Good to go.
Look at his biceps. Look at his.
Look at my biceps.
This is the guy who's gonna bring you the food. It's good to go.
Good to go. Can you see this?
Is it good to go? It's good to go. It's good to go. Let me see. It's good to go. Alex, if you want to look strong, good to go catering. Proof of the pudding. And proof of the pudding. Right here.
Pudding is right there.
Right. Yeah, right there.
Proof of the pudding.
Right there. It's not enough.
Yo, African dog.
You like African dogs?
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
That much Kendrick Lamar, but
Yeah.
I feel like I'm not really that far.
Yeah.
Dropping guard, bar after bar, you can always pretend like I'm a prison star, cause I'm behind the bars, cause I'm a star, cause I do shit, cause I have some cash car, cause I drive us around wherever we go, you know, we have to do whatever we want to the show, cause that's how we do it, hey, all night, or that's literally what we're here for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was crazy. It was good.
That was dope, man.
It was a good beat.
Yeah, that was a good one.
15th of March, which is my birthday, but in Ireland, that's like St. Patrick's Day.
And you too. Come through.
Hi, Kevin. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hey man.
Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Martin.
How are you?
Yeah, no worries. Hey kid, how old are you? You're 8. You have a bright future in front of you. Thank you so much.
Try some of your skills.
Yeah.
Advertising and signage.
Oh, that's perfect for you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. Good luck. Good luck with everything. Hi. I'm good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you around, guys. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Have a nice flight. I will check if you the flight.
Why, man?
Sure.
They have a saying in Shona, and I'm not gonna try to pronounce it, but the English version is, a wise bird builds its nest with the feathers of others. And that's exactly what the journey has been. Now we set our sights on Namibia, but Zimbabwe, you will always be the place where it all began. Until we meet again, Ti Nunana.